हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्मान्य सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड Class 6 Chapter number 3 Diversity in Living Things and their Classifications. Textbook questions and answers. So let's see question number 1. Match the pairs. Okay. So this is our question. So let's see the answers of this question. First, amphibians. Answer is frog. Second, vertebrates. Answer is monkey. Third, with scales. Answer is snake. Question number 2 is who is odd one out? First, A. Fungus, mushroom, chrysanthemum, spirogyra. Answer is chrysanthemum, only flowering plants, or spirogyra, only aquatic plants. B. Mango, banyan, palm and chickpea. Answer is chickpea, shrub, others are not, or palm, tall tree without any branches, others have branches. C. Grape, orange, lemon, hibiscus. Answer is grape, only creeper, others are not, or hibiscus, flower, others are fruit. D. Sunflower, banyan, jawar, bajra. Answer is banyan, perennial, others are not. E. Guava, radish, carrot, beetroot. Answer is guava, fruits, other are roots. D. F. Deer, fish, man, worms. Worms. Answer is worms because invertebrate, others are not, or a fish is aquatic animal, others are terrestrial animals.
Observe the picture of the pots and try to make similar ones.
Question number 3 is what is the difference? A. Flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Answer is
You have to try to make a
first point in flowering plants. Plants that bear flowers are called as flowering plants, and plants that do not bear flowers are called as non-flowering plants. Second, they have roots, stem and leaves. They may not have root, stem or leaves. Example, rose, sunflower, lotus. Example, pine, fern, algae.
picture language.
Then B is a tree and a shrub. So let's see the difference between them.
Victoria,
In tree, they have branches at some height above the ground. In shrub, they are given out branches close to the ground. In trees, they grow very tall compared to shrubs.
after that
In shrub, they grow up to 2 to 3 meters in height.
answers.
In tree, they have strong and hard stems.
Please like
In shrub, they have thick and hard stems. Example, mango tree, banyan tree. In shrub, example, hibiscus and oleander. Then next, C is vertebrates and invertebrates. So let's see the difference between them. In vertebrates, first is they have vertebral column. Invertebrates, they do not have vertebral column. Vertebrates, the brain is well developed. In vertebrates, the brain if present may not be developed. Vertebrates, example, human, dog, fishes, etc. Invertebrates, example, earthworm, insects, etc. Question number 4, true or false? A. A snail is an aquatic animal. Answer is false. Amphibians can live in air and in water. Answer is false. C. The functions of the brain is well developed in vertebrates. Answer is true. D. The amoeba is a multicellular animal. Answer is false. Question number 5. Write 2 names of each. A. A flowering plant. Answer is rose hibiscus. B. A non-flowering plant. Answer is fern algae. C. A tree. Answer is mango banyan. D. A shrub. Answer is oleander and hibiscus. Then next E. A creeper. Answer is pumpkin watermelon. F. An annual plant. Answer is jowar sunflower. G. A biennial plant. Answer is carrot beetroot. H. A perennial plant. Answer is mango gulmohar. Question number 6. Write answers to the following. A. What are the parts of the plant? Answer. The parts of a plant are root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. B. What are the functions of root? Answer is the functions of roots are the root holds the soil firmly and anchor the plant. They absorb water, salt and minerals from the soil and transport it to the stem. Some roots store food, example carrot and radish. C. Why is it necessary to clarify living things? Answer is there is a great diversity in living things, both plants and animals, on the earth. In order to identify them and to study their characteristics, systematic classification is necessary. D. What are the criteria used to classify the living things? Answer is the following are the criteria used to classify living things. A. Plants. Mode of nutrition, similarities and differences in structure, presence of flowers or not, period of life cycles and habitat. B. Animals. Cell structure, presence of vertebral column, method of reproduction and habitat. Then E. Tell some characteristics of creepers. Answer is the characteristics of creepers are: first, the stem of creeper is very flexible, soft and green and need support to climb. Second, some climbers spread on the ground, example pumpkin. Third, some have aerial roots, example money plant. Fourth, some climbers develop tendrils, example cucumber. F. Explain the characteristics of herbs with example. Answer. Herbs grow 1 to 1.5 meter tall. Second, their stem is green and quite flexible. They may live or a few months or up to 2 years, example tulsi, oregano. G. How is body of animals protected? Answer. Body of animals are protected by special covering such as skins, feathers, scales, hair, fur, etc. Then H. On the basis of which criteria will you classify plant and animals? Answer is, so you can see the answer. Plants. Food protection, food production, structure, size or height, absence or presence of flowers, period of life cycle and habitat. In food production, there are autotrophic or heterotrophic. In structure, there are trees, herbs and shrubs. In absence or presence of flowers, there are flowering or non-flowering. Period of life cycle, there are annual, perennial and biennial. In habitat, there are terrestrial, aquatic, marshy land and deserts.
Question number first is answer.
Then in animals we can see
In that question number
there are cellular structure, vertebral column, reproduction and habitat. So let's see in cellular structure there are unicellular, multicellular. In vertebral column there are vertebrate, invertebrate. In reproduction there are oviporous, viviparous. In habitat there are
whatever the means of living are.
terrestrial or aquatic or aerial.
Question number 3. What
So let's see the question number 7. Draw figures.
for their food?
Draw the figure of a plant to show the parts, namely the root, stem and leaves in it.
More on hunting and
So you can see there is a diagram of a plant and there are given the naming to the plant. So let's see, there are fruits, there are a stem, this is the roots and there is a flower and there is a leaf. So अशा प्रकारे इथे आपली
answer the following question in short. Question number first. What does human life depend
स्टँडर्ड 6चा चॅप्टर नंबर 3 डायव्हर्सिटी इन लिव्हिंग थिंग्स अँड देअर क्लासिफिकेशन ह्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहेत. पुढच्या चॅप्टरचेही लवकरच आम्ही चॅनलवर अपलोड करू क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स. तोपर्यंत चॅनलवरील नवनवीन व्हिडिओज बघत चला. चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू सो मच. कीप वॉचिंग.